Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another paper presentation topic, that is blue brain technology. It is a great topic. Okay, if you want to win paper presentation contest, then it is very best topic because it is very new technology where you can restore all the memories of a brain. Okay, and we are going to see a detailed explanation on that. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Right, let us going into the topic. Blue brain technology. In this ppt we are going to see what is blue brain, what is blue gene and everything whatnot. And if you want to win a prize in paper presentation, your introduction should be very much attracting. Okay, they should think that you are the one, okay, to whom they have to give the prize. Okay, in that way you have to tell, first introduce yourself and tell your greetings to the respected teachers and then start with the blue brain technology. Okay, what is blue brain? Right, it is the first question that occurs to everyone. Blue brain. Okay, blue brain is the project. It is a first comprehensive attempt to reverse engineer the mammalian brain in order to understand brain function and dysfunction through detailed supercomputer based reconstructions and simulations. See, it is the invention, or it is the project for, in order to reverse engineer the brain, our brains. That means, let us suppose consider a scenario. See, till now the Einstein brain is under study. If this project is implemented at his time, then we can study his brain when he is alive only. Okay, the main aim of this project is to restore your brain thinking skills and your brain capability to do reverse engineer or to create an artificial brain. Okay, project aims to build a comprehensive digital reconstructions of the brain which can be used to study the nature of the brain. This in turn helps in understanding how human beings process emotions and thoughts and gives us deeper insight into the decision making power of the human brain. Okay, I hope you got it. Blue brain means it is an artificial brain. It is a project that attempt to reverse engineer the mammalian brain in order to restore all the things. Okay, if a great person is there, he has much knowledge on several books, several languages, then we want to restore his brain for the future, then it is a great project in order to restore his brain functions, right? That is the main aim of this. Okay, then they, what is blue gene? Blue brain project makes use of blue gene supercomputer. Okay, now we are going to create an artificial brain. Artificial brain means it is an artificial computer which stores all the memories, right? This blue brain project is using a blue gene supercomputer developed by IBM to carry out the simulations. Hence the project is named as blue brain. BlueGene is a series of computers developed by IBM for scientific research, known for their parallel architecture, energy efficiency, and scalability. They excel in complex simulations across physics, biology, and climate modeling. Right? This is the BlueGene computer. Okay. This blue brain technology is using the blue gene computer. Then what is virtual brain? Virtual brain means artificial brain. Our blue brain project is under this only. Okay, virtual brain is an artificial brain. It can think like a natural brain, take decisions based on the past experience and response as a natural brain can. It is possible to do by using a supercomputers with a huge amount of storage capacity, processing power, and an interface between the human brain and this artificial one. Through this interface, the data stored in natural brain can be uploaded into the computer, so the brain and the knowledge and artificial intelligence of anyone can be preserved and used forever, even after the death of the person. Right, what I have said earlier to you. See, if you want to restore the knowledge of any person, to future uses, then this is the best method, because you are going to create an artificial brain as like as his brain. Okay, that is the thing. The main thing is that you can, after death also, you can save, you can preserve his memories and his thoughts and his knowledge. It mainly helpful in the um, um, medicine field, like medical field. It helps because let us suppose if there are some our ancient ayurvedic doctors are there, they know how to cure a disease, but we are lacking his knowledge right now. So if this project exists, that knowledge can be preserved and we can use it for further, see, cancer treatments, and many more persons are there in ancient times with a lot of knowledge how to cure many things, right? That is the thing. And so the question may arise, is it really possible to create a human brain? Yes, of course. It is possible. Yes, today it is possible because of advancements in technology. The world of technology has expanded in areas like humanoid robots, computing, virtual reality, wearable devices, artificial intelligence, digital jewelry, blue eyes technology, and blue grade technology, and so much more at a rapid rate. A full human brain simulation, 100 billion neurons, is planned to completed by 2023 if everything goes well. If so, this would be the first virtual brain of the world. Okay, everything is possible in the latest technology. Then, first you have to know how does the natural brain works before going to know how virtual brain works, right? We have to know how natural brain works, right? So, let us going to see how natural brain works. The human ability to feel, interrupt, and even to see is controlled in computer like calculations by the magical nervous system. Yes, the nervous system is quite like magical because we cannot see it, but it is working through electrical impulse through our body. Yes, right. We have five sense organs, and through them we are going to see everything or feel everything, right? But our nervous system is very much quick in response, and it will immediately give responses to everything. If your eyes is going to see fire, then your hands will take immediate action to put off the fire, right? Then how does the connection happens between your eyes and your hands, something like that, because of the neural system, right? The human brain is multi-level complex systems with 100 billions neurons and 100 trillion synapses. Not even engineers have come across to making a circuit boards and computers as delicate and precise as the nervous system. To understand this system, one has to know the following three simple functions. Yes, our brain works under these three simple functions: sensory input and integration and motor output. Yes, sensory input is through what? Your eyes, it is going to see fire. Then your nervous system will integrate themselves and put together your body parts and make it an action to put off the fire with your hand. Okay, that is the thing with the natural brain, and it's working a nervous system. And natural brain versus blue brain technology: natural brain through the natural neurons, whereas a stimulated brain through the silicon chip or artificial neurons, because it can't have neurons, right? So silicon chip will be useful. And interpretation by different states of neurons in the brain: interpretation is through the by set of bits in a set of resistor. Output through the natural neurons and output through the silicon chip. Input is through silicon chip and output is also through silicon chip. And processing through the arithmetic and logical calculations, and this processing is by the artificial intelligence. Memory is through the permanent status of the neurons, and through the secondary memory. We are going to use the secondary memory for the blue brain technology. Okay, that is the difference. And is it possible to copy the data from brain to the computer? Yes, of course. Because then how do you recreate, or how do you preserve the memories of a brain in a computer without copying the data? How it is possible? See, let us see the thing. Yes, the uploading is possible by use of a small robots known as nanobots. These robots are small enough to travel throughout our secure circulatory system. Traveling into the spine and brain, they will be able to monitor the activity and structure of our central nervous system. They will be able to provide an artificial interference with the computers. Nanorobots could also carefully scan the structure of our brain, providing a complete readout of the connections. This information, when entered into the computer, could then continue to function as is. Thus, the entire data in the brain will be uploaded into the computer. See, we are going to use a small nano robots in order to upload your memory, your data into the computer. Let us see how it looks like, then you will get an idea. This is the nano robot and it is sent through the body, because without sending something into your body, how can you study the function of the neural system, because it is very complex, right? So some experiment should be done in order to preserve a long everlasting knowledge, right? Because we need a knowledge about many things. So we need to preserve the knowledge of a wise man. Micro cameras and payload, capacitor and swimming tail. In order to swim through our body, it should have a swimming tail and a capacitor and payload and micro camera in order to see everything, right? These are the nano robots. These are sent through the body and they study the neural functions. And research work, coming to the research work, IBM in partnership with scientists at Switzerland Ecole Polytechnique Federal de Lucerne, a research institute, EPFL, makes use of supercomputer Blue Gene built by IBM. As we have already told you, Blue Brain technology works with the help of Blue Gene computer, right? The machine is installed on the EPFL campus in Lucerne and is managed by CADMOS, Center of Advanced Modeling Science. This include cognitive functions such as language, learning, perception and memory, in addition to the brain malfunctions such as psychiatric disorders like depression and autism. Okay, this is the research work. Coming to the research work, okay, hardware requirements are supercomputer and memory with a very large storage capacity, processor of high processing power and a very wide network, and program to convert the electric impulse from the brain to input signal which is to be received by the computer and vice versa. Very powerful nano robots to act as the interface between the natural brain and the computer. So what we need a supercomputer, that is the Blue Gene, and the memory with a large storage capacity, right? Because our memory is very vast, and in order to store that memory we need a large memory unit, right? And processor of high processing power and very wide network and electrical impulses and powerful nano robots. And those are the hardware requirements. We're coming to the software requirements. We need Linux and C++ programming languages, artificial neurons technology and topological neural synthesis algorithm, and BPP SDK software. Okay, it is a software development kit written in C++ and wrapped in Java and Python. The BBP SDK collects data from the nanorobots and Neuron, a data visualization program written in C++ for 3D visualization of neuron simulation, is used to show that data means. The final data will be stored in databases and used to make more models of how the brain works. If this experiment works, it will be possible to keep and look at the information about the brain. That is the thing. And here is how do you these are the nano robots, and data acquisition is done and simulation and visualization of results. Okay, they are going to capture all the results through the nano robots. Achievements: Blue Brain has created the first digital reconstruction of neuroglyn vascular NGV architecture, providing a new framework to study brain function in health and disease. In 2007, milestone 1 is the automatic recreation by the computer of the electrical behavior of any neuron in the brain. In 2015, an algorithm for recreating the connectome of neural microcircuit. In 2015 again, neurocritical microcircuitry reconstruction and simulation. Again in 2015, milestone 4. In milestone 3, the microcircuits emergent dynamics are validated and explored. Okay, these are the achievements. And for everything there will be pros and cons. Pros are preservation of intelligence and study of animal behavior, advancement in neuroscience and treatment of psychological diseases, technological process and ethical considerations. Cons are increased dependency, right? Because we are going to depend on the supercomputers, and we no longer depend upon our memory. We just see the computers and know ourselves. And cyber security risk, yes, because your memory is preserved in somewhere else, they might be hacking and they might be uh, get your data. So data manipulation, there might be a chance of data manipulation, and threats to nature and need for safeguards and regulatory challenges. Okay, conclusion. In conclusion, we will be able to transfer ourselves into computers at some points. Most arguments are against to this outcome are seamlessly easy to circumvent. There are either simple-minded or simply required further time for the technology to increase. The only serious threats raised are also or as combination of biological and digital technologies. Okay, we need blue zine computers because it need much more energy. Okay, despite sheer complexity of such adventure, it is predicted that project will be capable of this year 2023. And thank you. If you feel this video as informative, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. And if you want any paper presentation on any topic, please put it in comment section. I will make sure of gathering data and making a ppt for you, so we can achieve many more prizes in paper presentation. Thank you.